Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Swagata and in this vlog you're going to see bits and parts of my maternal uncle's wedding. This is basically a vlog which captures the preparations that I did and of course few moments from the wedding as well. So a day or two before I was trying to basically get all my work done so that I can actually chill during the wedding weekend. The preparations not just included me buying good clothes but also trying to look good into them. So I was kind of also into my self-care era where I was walking 10k steps to look the best. So yeah, this is me basically ranting how difficult walking is. It's worse than going to the gym. Actually, I do enjoy going to the gym, not gonna lie, but walking, my goodness. And after walking, I also stretched the self-care era a bit and I also went straight to the gym. And post gym I was actually going to my tailor's house to pick up all the blouses and the lehengas, the stitched saris that I had ordered. So here I am waiting. She was actually doing the final touches, so I was just waiting. And yeah, I finally secured my goods. I was really happy about it. Home and I ordered a few items from Blinkit. Like I said, Blinkit is a savior. So yeah, this is the package and I'll show you all what I got. I was really proud of my Blinkit order this evening. I had bought a pack of 4 mehendis, which you will see turned out really well in the video. And also this bindi. I was planning a look in my head which needed this bindi. I was really shocked with the items that they sell on Blinkit. You literally get everything on Blinkit. I don't know how they are listing such stuffs and how they actually identify what people need last minute. So I had heard that Blinkit, those packets are not just ordinary package. Those are kind of games. I mean, you can reuse them as wrapping paper or like play games and stuff. And I had seen many reels, but I honestly did not like care to look. But this time I was about to throw away the package, and this is what I got. So it basically has two games. On one end, if you can see, it has tic tac toe and you know those crisscross games, so you can play with a partner probably. Yeah, I don't think you can play alone. You have to play with a partner. And the second is on the other side of the paper. It says dots and box, so you basically connect the dots. Again, you have to have two players for it. You have to connect the dots, and whoever has the least amount, I think that person is the loser. So yeah, you have to make boxes, connect the dots and make boxes. So yeah, it's fun. I'm not gonna throw this away. I'm probably gonna play someday with a friend if I, yeah. So I'm not gonna throw these boxes. I'm definitely gonna carry this to my friend's place and maybe play a game of tic tac toe. I'm more excited for this. I'm not too excited for this. This sounds really tedious and boring, but this is nice. I used to play crisscross games back in school, so yeah, I'm excited to play this with my friend. I had also ordered these mehendi strips off of Meesho, so I was kind of using this as a stencil and then I was applying the mehendi all over the stencil. And this is the final look. I really loved how it looked on my palm, but I think on the hand it did not really come out that well, and I totally blame myself for it because I'm a very impatient person. I should have waited a little longer before taking it off. Oh yeah, and I also did my nails at home. These are all press-ons which I got from Meesho. Meesho is also winning it. If you watched the movie Kantara 2, you would know I was actually trying to replicate the look of the princess in the movie. I do not know her name, but she looked ethereal. And here we are at the venue. The bride, sorry, no, the groom, which is my uncle, he has finally arrived, and we were really happy. He looked great. This is all the festivities, all the tam jam for the wedding, and Bengali weddings are extravagant. And here's my final look in the light. Finally, you can see it in broad daylight right now. I was really happy with this look, honestly. You can let me know how you feel about it. I've posted a tons of reels because I honestly was very happy. Look at the temple jewelry, it's so beautiful, and everything is from Meesho. I will do a detailed haul if you guys would like me to do. I got my hair done for the first time in my lifetime, and this is the beautiful bride. She did an entrance bit, which was so beautiful. It was very cute. She looked very ethereal. She literally looked like a goddess, and I just kept staring at her. She was that beautiful. Oh yeah, and the food was great. It was typical Bengali cuisine. We had loads of Bengali options. So yeah, you can see my. I was almost done. My mom was a little late because she was watching the marriage ceremony. But yeah, now the marriage is going on. As you can see, like everybody's standing. But we were. My mom got really pissed because she was sitting and she couldn't see the ceremony. So I tried and capture a few moments while the ceremony was going on. If you have never been to a Bengali wedding, this is your sign to make Bengali friends and visit the weddings. It is such a beautiful ceremony. Nothing too loud, but can't even say it's simple. It's pretty fun. We had a great time at the wedding. And finally, they are Mr. and Mrs. Bhattacharya. This is the second day of the festivities. Some marriage rituals that were supposed to be going on. Ashirбад, we call it in Bengali, but post marriage. There are two types of Ashirбад. One is that is conducted before they get married, and now as a married couple at the groom's house. So
Groom's
we were
house is
at
my
the
mom.
blessing the newly married couple. And here it is, the third day, which is also the final day, the reception day. I was very happy with my look. The makeup turned out great. I was not happy with how the sari turned out. I had imagined it in a way, but the lady who draped me did not do justice to it. The sari was very beautiful. Again, everything is from Misho, the jewelry, the sari, the blouse, everything. I also did my I got my hair done that day as well. And this was the location. This was Baligonj Choi, if I'm not saying it incorrectly. And again, the food was amazing, typical Bengali cuisine. And yeah, this is the married couple, the beautiful couple. They look great on the reception day as well. They were shooting some parts of their wedding video. And yeah, this was it. Hope you liked it. See you in my next vlog.